Hello, my name is Alejandro Nieva. I am a trainer for shop assistant and I am English guy. I am interested to work in Taking Global because I love the environment and the human rights, and I want to learn more language. I have 8 years in experience talking with people. In my best experience, I worked in Hawaii as shop assistant. So in a year I learned a lot of language because the visitors who visited the shop were of different country. About my education, I studied in the English Guide Institute, and I am an expert in conversation exchange and similar activities in relation with people. Eventually, I take holidays, and in my last job, I was a trainer for shop assistant in Brazil. I had this responsibility about my experience in my career. I think with my skills can be good for this company. If you need more information, contact me please. My telephone number is in my CV. So goodbye.